Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Tanveer Iqbal, teacher by High School Shatigam. Today, once again, we will go for the practicals. Practical number 2, it's about the leaf, types of leaf, and the types of venation present in the leaf or leaves. If we take this simple leaf, you will see this upper part, it is called plain part, is called a lamina. And if you see the structure of the leaf, you can see this main rib going upwards and small branches oozing out from this like this, and more particularly this it is evident in this very leaf. You can see this midrib, this is called midrib, the man, and all of these ribs come out of this midrib. If you see the back of the plant, it is more evident like this. You can see the midrib and all of the ribs come out and they break into smaller and smaller and smaller parts, and they reach to the whole leaf. This is called venation. The system of veins present in the leaf, it's called venation. There are two types of venation. This first one, where there is a midrib and all of the small ribs come out of this midrib, this is called reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Here it is, the main midribs are there and out of this small ribs come out. If you take the case of this another one as well, this is a midrib and all of the rib come out of this main midrib. See in the back side, this is more evident. You can see this is zooming by camera. Yeah, it's evident now. This is called reticulate venation. If we take the case, another case, that is parallel venation, that is present in the maize, makai, and that is present in the garlic. You can see the garlic. This is a garlic leaf. This is a garlic leaf. You can see there is, if there is a midrib, yeah, there is a midrib, but another, all the small ribs do not come out of this midrib. They are parallel. They are parallel. If we zoom this backside, we will see the clearer image. Yeah, you can see now there is a midrib and all of the other ribs are parallel. They are not joined with this midrib. This is called parallel venation. Parallel venation, there is another plant, grass, drummond, and here you can see the parallel venation. They do not come out from this main rib. This is parallel venation. Now, if we are given the plants, we are seeing that from the far away, we have to guess, does this have the parallel venation or does this have the reticulate venation? Can we guess? Yeah, we can guess. Yeah, yes, we can guess easily. How can we guess? There is a clue. If the plant is in this shape, this is main stem and the leaves and branches come out from this main branch, then we can guess that there is a reticulate venation. Most probably you can see in this is a reticulate type of venation. And if you have to see in which plant there is a parallel venation, we can check the garlic plant that has a main stem. All of the branches come out from this one. There is no main stem and those main stems do not. This is like this. Yeah, you can see the maize or this grass. You can see the grass. There is no mid stem, main fat stem. This is all of these branches come from direct from the soil. Looks like all of, like the case in the maize and like the case in the wheat that has a parallel venation. That was about venation. There are two types of venation, reticulate venation and parallel venation. If the leaf has the main midrib and out of that small ribs come out and that comply the whole leaf, that is reticulate venation. And if there is there is a midrib and all of the lines veins are parallel to that, that is reticulate, that is a parallel venation. So that was about venation. My request to you is that stay home, stay safe, use sanitizers, use masks, never keep the mask down, whether you are in the home or you are in the masjid or you are in any public, and avoid public gatherings, and please hand wash with a good quality soap like Dettol, etc. and maintain social distance. So that was all about the precautionary measures we have to take about COVID-19, because the second strain, UK strain, Brazil strain, it is too dangerous. There are no symptoms. It is almost asymptomatic, and the oxygen level dips to zero, and you cannot survive without oxygen. And already oxygen is at too shortage in India and in Kashmir as well. So please avoid gatherings and keep yourself safe, and your family as well, and your locality as well, and your village and India as well. Thanks. Fi amanillah. Allah safe rakhe aapko. Fi amanillah.